Kentucky, northeastern Hickman County, Kentucky, southeastern Ballard County, Kentucky, south central McCracken County, Kentucky, Graves County, Kentucky, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lovelessville to near Bardwell, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mayfield, Clinton, Bardwell, Fulgham, Lovelessville, Wingo, Arlington, Water Valley, Lowe's, and Fancy Farm. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 5 and 34. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard, Carlisle, Graves, Hickman, and McCracken.